Welcome back to Auto Trends Today. Today, we're going to take an in-depth look at the Tesla Model 3, Tesla's game changer that's redefining the EV market. Let's dive into everything you need to know about this incredible electric sedan. The Tesla Model 3 is one of the best-selling electric vehicles globally, and it's not hard to see why. Introduced in 2017, the Model 3 brought high-quality electric performance to the masses. With sleek styling, advanced technology, and impressive range, it's one of the most popular choices for those looking to go electric. Streamlined, minimalist exterior and interior with a focus on aerodynamics. Positioning, compact luxury electric sedan with a competitive starting price in the EV market. Around 272 miles per charge. Performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour in 5.8 seconds. Top speed, 140 miles per hour. Price, starting at a more accessible price point, making it a great entry into the Tesla ecosystem. Long-range all-wheel drive, AWD, range, approximately 333 miles per charge. Performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 4.2 seconds. Top speed, 145 miles per hour. Price, mid-range option with more power and range, great for long-distance commuters. Performance AWD, range, around 315 miles per charge. Performance, 0 to 60 miles per hour in a thrilling 3.1 seconds. Top speed, 162 miles per hour. Features, upgraded suspension, performance brakes, and unique styling. Price, the premium option for those who want the highest performance. The Model 3's interior is clean, with most controls integrated into a central 15-inch touchscreen. Advanced tech, Autopilot, Tesla's driver assistance suite, providing lane keeping, adaptive cruise control, and semi-autonomous capabilities. Full self-driving, FSD, option, allows for city driving assist, automatic lane changing, and even traffic light, stop sign control, where legally permitted. Over-the-air updates, regular updates add new features and improvements without needing to visit a dealership. Sound system, premium audio system with deep bass and clear treble, providing a high-quality sound experience. Climate control, advanced HVAC system with custom airflow settings and heated seats. Home charging, standard level 2 home chargers can charge overnight, delivering 30-40 miles per hour. Supercharging, Tesla's network allows fast charging at up to 170 miles in just 30 minutes for road trips or quick top-ups. Range efficiency, great efficiency due to regenerative braking and the electric motor design. Battery technology ensures longevity with minimal degradation over time. Instant torque from the electric motors makes for an exhilarating, silent acceleration. Handling, low center of gravity, due to battery placement, gives the Model 3 a sporty feel. Driving modes, customizable driving experience with chill, standard, and sport modes. Safety features, 5-star safety rating in all categories from the NHTSA. Enhanced crash structure and advanced airbag system. Comprehensive sensor suite for collision avoidance. Tesla frequently releases software updates to enhance the car's features, including improved autopilot, entertainment options, and efficiency tweaks. Future prospects, with advancements in battery technology, new models of the Model 3 may offer even better range, performance, and charging speeds. Excellent range for an EV in its class. Impressive performance across all variants. Access to Tesla's supercharger network. Continuous software updates that improve the car over time. Cons, minimalist interior might not appeal to everyone. Full self-driving package is an extra cost. Limited physical controls may take time to get used to. The Tesla Model 3 offers a blend of range, performance, and tech that's hard to beat in the EV market. Whether you're new to electric cars or looking for a top-notch driving experience, the Model 3 could be the perfect fit. Let us know what you think in the comments. Is this the car for you, or are you considering other EVs?